Okay, it is June 21st, and I have been pressure washing the driveway. Cory has been in here working on the camper. Yay!
Trying to find straight 1x2s is nearly impossible.
Well, it is Florida.
Yeah, well, yeah. So I got a few of them through all the collection that we've got. So just putting in braces for the cabinets. Yeah. So.
You said you've been struggling with the microwave.
The microwave has some wonky measurements, and I had forgotten that the shelf has to be a certain thing, so it doesn't exactly match up on the wall anymore, so I'm trying to adjust that. Which I just need to drop this board down maybe a half an inch, and I should have enough room clearance for the supports for the shelf.
And I want to be able to help you with that if possible.
Okay. So there's that. There's adjusting this down, but we still want to have enough clearance for our
countertop.
New countertop space.
Yeah. One of the few changes we were able to make.
So that side is going to be a little bit larger of a storage cabinet. And then there's going to be a transition here where this goes up a little bit higher because of all the microwave and the range vent hood.
But our cabinets will go all the way around, which is nice. Won't be that weird corner over there anymore.
Yeah,
that
there used to be a gap and something, and then
a
there was
shelf.
a radio here, and there's some funky angles, and so just going to enclose all of this. So we lose a little bit of head space, but I think we'll have.
Well, no, not really. There was a shelf there, so you still wouldn't have had head space. Yeah, no, I think it'll be good. All right, let me get to helping you with the microwave, okay? Today's been a good day. Look what Cory has got in the microwave. And watch this. We have so much floor space now. You can open the oven and the fridge at the same time. You could actually transfer a turkey from the... I know. You do.
We couldn't do that before.
No.
With the small fridge.
No, we couldn't. So that really is, that gives us some extra space. I like that. And I like having the microwave, and we're slowly putting this sucker back together. Oh my, what have we done to ourselves? Always an adventure?
Always an adventure.
Always. If you've enjoyed following along on our journey, the planned stops and the unexpected detours, we'd love for you to join us for our further explorations. Hit that subscribe button below and become part of the When Nerds Learn to Fly crew. We've got more adventures in store, and we can't wait to share them with you. Thanks for exploring with us. Until next time.